I noticed as shortly as others began speaking out in regards to the VIP Save Me Wild Dog Diego California shirt emotion that they had been having. I felt further relaxed, understanding that completely different folks have been feeling the equivalent as I used to be. In any VIP Save Me Wild Dog Diego, VIP Save Me Wild Dog Diego California shirt, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. Holy Week is a silverware, the week sooner than this week. They learn to me VIP Save Me Wild Dog Diego California shirt on Tuesdays and are such good readers. Now, we sure are praying for them. The Father and that I am one. 10:30. And once more on the final supper. Do you not contemplate I'm inside the Father and the Father is in me? The phrases that I converse to you I do not communicate alone. I'm unable to attend to interrupt up the opposite one. We break up a caramel apple from Jack's as our snack, lunch to hold us over till we eat later. Other products.